Guys, join our Discord group, which is really awesome. It's a really amazing Discord group. Then you will get a free profitable trading robot. And because we're all about trading robots on the Forex markets, it's a profitable EA trading robot. And if you guys join the Discord, you will have a lot of people that also use this EA, and these are like recent results of the trading robot. Well done static, and you could see the gains. It's making slow and steady gains. It's a safe EA, and these are my results. You get support from our members. The community is really awesome. You get custom settings that actually work better, and it's free, and that's a great price.
That's a great price.
Back to blessing. So guys, the blessing EA, so guys, the blessing, when you join, you will also get a PDF manual about the blessing robot, and let's just go for this together. Disclaimer and risk warnings. Trading any financial market involves risk. Okay, blah blah blah. So this is like their disclaimer. This is very standard in Forex, but the major features, these are what really caught my attention. For a free robot, you get multiple pairs, multiple entry control features, buy sell trade entries or stop limit trade entries, grid trading strategy with many control features, shutdown features, stops, B3 trading after basket close, emergency close all features, holiday shutdown feature, order management, checking condition, email management. B3 talks back to you, so B3 is blessing tree. Grid array generation based on user input, take profit trader, stealth take profit trader, no take profit sent to broker. So this is really awesome. If you really don't trust your broker, you can trade in stealth modes. Broker won't see your take profit. Stealth stop loss feature, can manage manually added trades. Profit trailing stop feature for extra profit. Close old trades feature. Drawdown reducer, exit trades early feature. Close old trades feature, drawdown reducer, current or correlated pair hedging capabilities, recoup loss function, recoup broker commission and swap function, additional trades added to basket incrementally, power out stop loss feature, stop loss is sent to broker, portion control feature, manual account type selection, stop trade balance protection, equity stop loss protection, automatic broker decimal selection, chart overlays to monitor trades and account, manual or automatic money management features. Broker spreads are not an issue. Manual or automatic trade margin number selection. So guys, as you can see, it is quite a lot. You get a juicy and spicy EA robot for free if you join our Discord group. And this is what they say, of course, and they have detailed explanations on everything they do. They even have their strategy well laid out. And if the developer of this EA is watching, I just want to say props to you, man. It's really amazing, and it has meant a lot to a lot of traders to get this robot for free, and a lot of people's lives have actually changed. Blessing is a very unique and powerful 24/5 trader. Several features make blessing safe, and profit taking is very powerful. The math is simple, and money management will increase the base lot size as we get a higher balance. So it grows your balance exponentially. Make sure that the equity protection is enabled. 50% is a great amount to use. Turn on portion control and limit that pairs access to the total account. We believe blessing to have a great potential in this fast moving market of Forex. Most of all, Have fun in trading. We design many expert advisors, but we have not seen any expert advisor with the potential BBB33 has shown. That's their robot. Low drawdowns and reasonable margin usage make blessing a new weapon in the forex trading market. There you have it, guys. So this is what they say, but is what they say actually true? I've actually connected a $1,000 account on the Blessing EA, and this will be available publicly. You guys can all just follow the trades because it's my Fxbook account and it's a verified account. This is what the trade looks like. I started this bot on the 23rd of July, and right now the bot is at $8 profit. So you can see how the bot trades. These are the open orders. It uses really small lot sizes, and this is the first traded one for me, 50 pips, and right now 30 pips in profit. So you guys can see that this bot has a really good strategy, and it's a very safe robot. Let's see how this thing actually does with backtesting. The way you do that, it's really easy, guys. Just go to your MetaTrader and you select View Strategy Tester, or just press Ctrl R. Let's just check the Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame, and let us run this robot for 1 whole year. So from 2018 till today, and today is the 25th. Here we go. Let's see if the blessing blows up this account or not. Guys, so we are at the end of this backtest. See that the 1 minute time frame did not perform that well, because, or did I do something wrong? 2018 7/23, 2019 7/25. Yep. Okay, we can see that the 1 minute time frame didn't perform that well. Let's try the 5 minute time frame on the Euro USD again. The 5 minute time frame looks a lot better. Right now our portion balance is $14,122. So you guys can see this. Boom, nice gain right there. 4K gains. So on a $10,000 account, it's making around $4,000 yearly. So that's a 40% yearly gain, around 3.3% monthly gain with this robot. These are on the default settings, so please note that on custom settings this bot performs way better. And of course we can't forget that it is a free robot. If you guys like this video, and if you guys are into these types of passive income methods online, if you guys are into making money online passively on a way that actually works, then you're at the right place, and you should definitely join our Discord group. Be sure to leave a like if you like this video, dislike if you dislike this video, and as always, thank you guys so much for all the support you've been giving me. The channel is still growing, and we're already at 2,500 subscribers, so that's really insane. I can't thank you guys enough. I love you guys.